Hey guys, Alan with Pinelands Nursery here again today. I want to talk to you about bamboo. A lot of times people come in and ask us for a good screen or hedge to block off their neighbors or a busy road or whatnot. You can always use bushes and shrubs and small growing trees to do that, but another option is clumping bamboo. We only sell clumping varieties here at Pinelands. The runners you do not want to put in your yard. They will take over your life and you'll fight it for the rest of the time you live on that property. We sell about 6 or 7 varieties here. Bamboos are actually grasses, but the ones we sell, they're going to have ultimate heights of 6 feet all the way up to about 50 feet. This one here is called Henan bamboo, and this is a larger growing one. It's going to still stay in a clump. The clump will grow like all clumping bamboos. The clump will still grow. The clump will get wider, but it's not going to run. Henan gets about 50 feet tall, and the individual canes will ultimately get up to about 4 inches in diameter. So it's a big one. A lot of people are looking for those big ones. We've got these here. We've also got a variety called Alphonse Carr that makes a great privacy screen, and a shorter one called Fernleaf that only gets about 6 feet tall that makes a good screen.